Hi everyone, it's been a hot minute, but I am back with this fun little Valentine's craft. Now, I did this in the past with about 2 Christmases ago, or maybe 1 Christmas ago, for Christmas, and it looked more vintage style. So you may, if you've been with me that long, let me show you, because I want you to remember. I forgot about these, but I was going through my stuff and I was like, I love that, and I want to make it for Valentine's Day. So you don't have to measure this. I'm scoring one little portion just because I want to personally do that for my own eye, but you don't have to score, and I'll show you how I do mine. But we're going to literally have 3 albums out of one 12 by 12 paper. So you'll take your 12 by 12 paper and you'll cut it into 4 by 12. So you should have 3 of them when you're done. So you'll cut 4 3 by 12s. Now let me show you, if you've been with me, it just has this little pocket in the front. You have this pocket here, and then you open it, and I made these 2 different ways. One way is this way, and then you've got this, and this one has a little vellum pocket inside. Or you can even just keep this sealed and make it another pocket. Just really depends what you're putting in there, what you're doing, but you could add, you know, some fun stuff in there. Probably even like tape a little Gordelli here, like I have one from the holiday, but you could probably even fit one in there, and it's not too thick. That'll fit in there if you tape it. Or even if you want to give some little sprinkles for fun, you can do that. Those were those sprinkles I got from Tamu, and I love them. So if you put them in a little bag, that could even be a little gifting thing too. All right, can't wait to show you how easy this is, and this is a refresher for me too. I actually tried looking at it and doing the measurement. I'm like, why doesn't the measurement add up on each album? And I realized it's because I didn't score anything. Okay, but like I said, I'm only scoring one little piece for my own reference. And what I'm doing here is I'm scoring at this 1-inch mark, just for my own reference. Hold on, let me make sure my paper's the right way. Okay, it is. So this is the only thing I'm doing, and like I said, you can eyeball this, you don't have to do it. And I'm putting my scoreboard away. All right, so that little piece for my reference, I'm going to just fold it here. And I'm going to corner round mine because I just like the way that it looks with this album specifically. Okay, and then once you do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, maybe this will be a refresher too. So I'm not going all the way to the corner. I'm going about halfway into this. So I would say like a 1/2 inch into it. It's really, again, just preference, and I'm going to just score it like that with my hand. So just to keep it close, you can see how much room I have. I have about that much room. Okay, and then you're going to take it and just kind of do that. And then I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to fold this back. And that's it. That's literally going to make our album. So what I'm going to do is, now that we have that right, I'm just going to kind of open it up, and that will give us that little space. And I want that little space there because it can get in the way when you're like folding it and it's just a mess. So that's why I left that like this. And that's also why I folded it that way. So I like to put a little notch right there, and then this portion right here. You can leave the flap or not, it's up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and glue mine down. And I just glue it on the bottom. I don't do the top. And then on this portion here, I'm going to put my other notch, because that's going to be our little pocket. So now I'm going to make this my pocket and glue this. Do you see how easy this is? And you can do 3 of them with 1 sheet of paper, 1 12 by 12. So I'm just doing that because, like I said, the top is going to be a pocket. So you'll have your pocket right here, your pocket on the top, and then you open it. And again, you can make this a pocket or you can just leave it. It's really up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do while this is all drying, let me do the front. So I'm just going to stick a little picture in here. And I'm going to add, I have a few different things here, but I just want to see how they look. It was a floral and only floral. I actually do like that. So I think I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to use some double-sided foam tape. Just because I like it to kind of look a little puffy and not flat. And make sure when you do it, you make sure this is on here because it'll kind of cover your pocket. So there. And just for fun on this piece here, I did add just another little thing there. Oh, I took way too big of a piece. So hold on. Put that there. And what I did for fun is just to dazzle it up is I used some of my glitter glue here, or glitter stickles. And add a little bit of this in there. And you could obviously do this, but I'm not going to do that part because I want it to dry before. So I'll do it at the end. And then you can put a little tag in at the top here. I feel like I want it on this side. Okay. And I need one more tag inside, which I did not do. I just realized. So let me show you how I did my tag anyway, because this album is a little shorter. So I did my tag, which these came with the kit. You can make your own. And I did cut mine down just a little tad because the album is shorter. So you could even make this 4.5 inches and you probably won't have to do that. You can make it 5 inches. It's whatever you would like. I just thought, and so in my previous video, I'll try and link it if I remember, but I made 2 different sizes and one was longer and lean, but I just thought it was a little too skinny. I didn't like how thin it was, but it is still fun. I actually like both ways. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I just prefer this way. Just grabbing some sticker lettering because I feel like it needs a little bit of something. Okay, and then this portion here, you can either, so like I said, one, I just have the die. You can do that, especially if you don't have vellum. You could use any paper. And then this one, I use the vellum, which I love the little pocket in there. So the vellum is simply a 1.5 by 4 inch sheet of paper. And I didn't score it or anything. I'm just adding it in there. And that pocket is not pretty. And it doesn't matter which side you add your pocket in. I'm just doing it this way because it's kind of a surprise if you have the little door there so that you don't see it. And this is a pink vellum. This is an older vellum that's been sitting in my drawer. I'm going to grab some of these cuties. And then on the side here, I would like to add something. I don't know if this will fit. How cute is this little mousy? But I feel like she doesn't belong there. Nope, don't like that either. Use this rose. Yeah, I'm kind of liking the rose. And here was some of my little Temu bows. I really like that. I wanted to add that on. Oops. Okay, everything just flying across my desk like it always does. It would not be a video without something crashing or anything like that. And then I also added just some little pieces. You could add the little gold tidbits. So this was also from my Temu. And I almost thought, see, it wouldn't look good with this one, but in the front here, I almost wish I had added like a little heart there. That would have been really fun. Where is my glitter cardstock? And by the way, that bow, it came from that one kit that I had. I don't think I showed an example of this one. So otherwise, you can just use like some gold cardstock. Pretty sure I got this one at Hobby Lobby. So it's my favorite place to get cardstock. I just like their quality the best. And we could even add a little heart there. I just put it on one little corner there and just add it on. And you could even put one in here. Oopsie. Let me just turn this blind up before that sun sneaks in here. Add a little sticker right here. And you could even make the little gold trim there if it's too plain for you, or even add a little sticker there. Or not sticker, it was a die. But you can add a sticker there too. Just to jazz it up a little. This album is very pink. And I would love to add glitter in there, but unfortunately I can't. And I think on the other ones I had, I even added something there, but I'm just gonna leave that. And let's take our little piece here that we had before and add it in there. And then I'm gonna go back to what I was doing before. I lost my glitter and it rolled off my desk. And probably just finish it up with some more glitter. And you can add it around the whole thing. I think I'll just do one more, maybe a little bit on the blue. Like I said, this will dry up more forgiving than how I'm doing it. I promise. So add it like that. And I did add a little bit to each of these. Like here, I just add a little bit around the heart. And this one, I just added it right there. But I think I might go back and make that because I like it a little bit glittery. It seems to like pop out just a little more. Ooh, that one does not look nice with the piece missing. So here they are. They are just so sweet. And like I said, this is one sheet. Just you'll get 3 albums besides all your little accessory pieces. And it's just a quick way to make mass cards. You can really do these quickly and hand them out to classes or gifts or whatever it is. All right, guys. Oh, also I was going to say, if you want, you could even make little pretty dangles hanging from this just to like dress it up a little bit. You can just add it like hanging out. Like I got those Valentine charms, which I put away and I forgot to put them on my desk, but I was going to show you a little string and just little dangles on there. All right, guys. Thanks so much.